Today we are looking at the 2025 GMC SIERRA 1500 AT4 in titanium rush metallic. This truck is powered by a 3.0-liter turbo diesel DURAMAX engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we'll look at are these beautiful black leather seats with brown accents. These seats contain heating in the second row, as well as heating and ventilation in the front. This black interior with the brown accents is followed throughout the entire vehicle, all the way to the steering wheel, which holds your controls for cruise control, heated steering wheel option, media and volume control, as well as voice controls. To the left, you'll find your controls for your windshield wipers and high beams. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your digital gauge cluster, containing things such as vehicle information, fuel economy, navigation, and media display. In the center of the dash is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as built-in Google Maps and Google Assistant. Below this, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as your controls for your heated seats. To the left is your engine start-stop button, and below are plenty of options, most notably but not limited to lane assist, park sense, and more. Behind your shifter, you'll find your trailer brake setting. In the center console, you'll find plenty of room for belongings, as well as 2 USB charging ports, a wireless charging pad, and a 120-volt charging port. On the driver's left-hand side, you'll find AT4 badging, as well as power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, and memory seat settings. Below, you'll find your parking brake, drive mode selector, and headlight settings. As we take a look at this beautiful titanium rush exterior in the sunlight, the first thing we'll take a look at are these 20-inch aluminum wheels. You'll notice that the rear windows come factory tinted. Throughout the exterior, you'll find AT4 badging. As we head to the back, you'll notice assist steps as we head near the cargo bed. With the touch of a button, we can lower our power tailgate, showcasing the cargo roof, protected by spray-on bedliner. On the right-hand side, you'll find a 120-volt charging port, as well as LED lighting. This tailgate comes with GMC MultiPro features, which means it can be lowered and converted into a step for ease of transporting cargo. As we take a look at the interior, your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, as well as heated seat controls, cup holders, and 2 USB charging ports. The center features pull-down cup holders, while the seats on the side feature storage in the seat back. These rear seats are split in a 60-40 bench fashion, which means both sides come up, extending your storage room. And that is the 2025 GMC SIERRA 1500 AT4 in titanium rush metallic, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.